Myself, N. Jyoti Kumar, founder managing director of Nexa Defence India. Welcome to Innovate Banner. We manufacture almost all type of ground support equipment, which is widely used in Indian Air Force as well as in Indian Navy. And further to that, we are the major suppliers of test equipments, especially for engine pumps, engine related equipments, all its testing facility, as well as some of the major components also we manufacture. Nexa Defence India is established from 2012 in India, aiming on our defense organizations, especially Indian Air Force, Indian Navy, and DRDO, HAL. They are our main customers, and our main area of working is ground support equipment. Our major aim is to become one of the best supplier for Indian defense industry, fulfilling the Sapna of Atmanirbhar Bharat.